fit in. I shook loose of the ticks and all them parasitic people. We'll see how my complexion holds up when I cross the river. It took a day or two to translate that I'm in desperate need for shelter. Take Camio ni Cuchillo if I can get out of this weather. Rosa laughed at my appearance, turned her nose up in disgust. Waylands como marrano, and my name forever stuck. Javelina, knocking at my door. Javelina, coming back for more. I made a hand at shooting goats and farming miles of eucalyptus. Jokes of tons of skin, they let me run a business. Them Sinaloa collectors caught some wind of my new presence. It's time for me to fly the coop and get out of this desert. Javelina, knocking at my door. Javelina, coming back for more. Shine down the lights of Ojinaga and the threat of getting caught. My shoes have all but melted, but I dare not risk a stop. Presidio looks like paradise and Texas looks like home. Them Sinaloa collectors will never know